स्कॉलर्स और ऊंट और इंसान से मुतालिक अरब और इस्लामी विरसे में दिलचस्पी रखने वाले लोगों के लिए मालूमात का जखीरा है।
All the media for covering this important event for Layan Foundation. It's been a work of 10 years to publish this book and the collaboration with different scholars all over the world to cover the story of the camel. The exhibition also has lots of artifacts which has been collected throughout 7 years of hard work to bring different artifacts to be shown in this event. I thank all the people that worked for this project, and I hope we will have much more cultural projects in the future, and we're always very happy and we welcome all the media from abroad to cover these cultural events. Thank you.
तकरीब में शरीक दीगर अफराद ने जहां तस्वीरी नुमाइश को सराहा, वहीं लयान कल्चरल सेंटर और किंग अब्दुलअजीज पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी की मुश्तरका काविश को भी खूब सराहा।
Has done so much for our history, our culture, and I'm so happy today to see this book finally come to life, and I hope it will enhance and contribute to the libraries of the world and to preserve the history of our camel, the Safinat al-Sahra, or the ship of the desert.
जी कतुनको द सऊदी अरब रियाज ना जमंग